Yes, pack opening time. Let's go.
Bruh.
I've got like 3, 6, 9, 14, 11. Okay, I got 11 packs here.
How'd you get? Where did these packs come from?
I got them for being gangster, that's why. Okay.
Did you? No, actually, did you open
There's
the
new codes. There's new codes.
Oh, there is. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, healing, healing.
Wait, what is that?
Magic the Gathering.
Is it literally just a game, Magic the Gathering?
Yeah.
If only
For some reason, I
keep all
prefer
these cards
virtual card games.
IRL.
I was
You know,
about to say for some reason I prefer virtual card games over actual ones, and it's very obvious. I just don't like losing cards.
And also, you
I
can get a
love
ton
using
of cards for
way
free.
over this. I really wish that you got all these cards that you have.
That would be...
Yeah, that too. Real cards, it's not very easy to get.
Look, you just got a rare. I want a rare. I have like 2 mythic rares, and I don't care about mythic rares. I want regular rares.
I'm downloading it now, so I'm gonna get a shit ton of packs and be better than both of you after a week.
You sure? I bet you don't even know how to play. Ooh.
I do.
Alright, War of Spark. Alright.
Someone showed me how to play in middle school. I can't remember who it was.
Wanderer.
Blorp.
I got I got 2 planeswalkers from the same...
Planeswalkers.
I got 2 planeswalkers from the same draw.
Bruh, what are you, autistic? Get the last card. It's the last card. I swear
Oh,
to God,
yeah.
it's another planeswalker.
It's a wild card. Dude, I got 2 planeswalkers,
You got
Fog.
a gold wild card? Bruh. Stop capping.
Ooh, that's cool. Insects are cool.
Hey Kenny, where'd you get the codes from?
I literally search up
just
Magic the
fuck
Gathering Arena codes, and the new codes will show up there. Commanders, oh yeah, Megapog. Alright, we're moving on to Core Set 2020, let's go.
Let's go.
That's cool. Horizon Reef.
What's cool?
This.
You gotta poop.
That's all I'm mentioning. Alright.
Fuck! Why am I always almost falling in this house? I'm not
Stop falling.
clumsy.
Stop falling.
I'm not falling.
Land.
But I'm getting very close.
You're falling, but you can't get up. We know.
Oh, I got
This is the same
Planeswalker
cards from before.
Planeswalker. I got
Nice.
Chandra Novice Pyromancer.
Wait, who?
Chandra Novice Pyromancer.
Oh, you got one of the cards I have. Or, well, IRL, but it's not. It's the same character, but not the same planeswalker. I got the Acolyte of Flame. That's what I have in a sleeve on my desk.
Oh, I have like
Acolyte.
huge conch energy Chandra.
Oh,
The one that just allows you to deal X damage based on how many times you've attacked this game or some weird shit.
These just look like the same codes.
Alright, Throne of Eldrion. Alright, let's go. Ooh, adventure card. Yo, it's that one group of idiots and that one weird thing, yeah. Yep. Lost Dragon. That looks like a Pokemon. Castle Garenbrig. Run away together. Choose target creature controlled by different players. Return the creature to. Oh, I got the oven thing. Oh yeah. I got the witch's oven that turns your creatures into food. I got a golden land. Bog. I got a turtle.
Yeah, these are just the same codes. These new codes.
I got a mythic. It's the worst mythic in the entire game. I got the Brazen Borrower. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna open up some of the new packs for the new cards, like the cards that they just added. Okay. Biomathematician. Create some fractal token creatures. Alright. Um... Hang. Oh my god! Dude, look at this card, man! Look at this card! Oh my god! This card looks so badass! You have to see this, dude.
Cool looking.
Yeah, that is! Oh my god, that's so cool!
That's a good
I
card
don't know
too.
what I'm
Wait,
looking at,
color
but it is kind of cool.
is it? Just blue?
Yeah, it's blue. That's so cool!
There's nothing crazy about it from what I
This
can
is a
see, but it
mythic.
looks really cool.
Ooh, this is a mythic. What does this do?
Yep. There's no new cards. You're just capping.
You just don't know
You
where to
spent
look.
money on. You spent. No, you just spent money on those.
Oh my god, I got another one of those cards. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. I got another one of those really cool looking cards. My cock is at least 2 times bigger than yours now. Oh.
Not even close.
Create 2/4/4 creatures. Pog, 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 pog.
Last time I checked, I'm pretty sure you don't have a 14-incher.
All right, last one. Man, I wanna get more of these. Ooh, ooh, I got another one of those really cool cards. Check that out, dude. Look at that. Dude, look at how cool that looks, man. Look how cool that looks. Man, some of these, I got a mythic wild card. That's lame. No, I'm just kidding. I need more rares. Cool.